or fly leveling, reducing levels by height of collimation and rise and fall method. In this video, we are going to see how to take differential leveling and their calculations by both rise and fall and height of collimation method. Differential leveling by rise and fall method. Let us fix the instrument at a convenient position and perform the temporary adjustments. Let's take the RL value as 100 for A station. Hold the staff vertically over the benchmark. Sight a leveling staff. Observe the backside reading and note down in field book. Now the staff is kept at station B. Sight leveling staff and take the foresight reading. Subtract the foresight value from previous backside value. The answer is negative, so it is considered as fall. The RL of station B is calculated by subtracting the fall from previous RL. Now shift the instrument to next position. Focus the leveling staff and take backside reading of B. Without changing the instrument position, take the intermediate side from C, noted down the readings. Subtract the intermediate side from previous backside. The value is positive, so it is considered as rise. RL of C calculated by adding the rise and previous RL. The staff is kept at station D. Sight the leveling staff and take the foresight reading of D noted in field book. Subtract the foresight from intermediate side. The answer is negative, so it is considered as fall. RL of D is calculated by subtracting fall from previous RL. Change the instrument position. Sight the leveling staff and take the backside reading of D and note it down in field book. Now the staff is kept at station E. Focus the leveling staff and take foresight reading of E and note it down in field book. Subtract the foresight reading from previous backside reading. The answer is negative, so it is considered as fall. RL of E is calculated by subtracting the fall from previous RL. Change the instrument at convenient position. Observe the backside reading of E and note down in field book. Now the staff is kept at station F. Sight the leveling staff and take the foresight reading and note down in field book. Subtract the foresight value from previous backside value. The answer is negative, so it is considered as fall. RL of F is calculated by subtracting the fall from previous RL. For arithmetic check, the difference between summation backside and summation foresight should be equal to the difference between sum of rise and sum of fall, and the difference between last RL and first RL. Height of collimation method. Now we are going to see differential leveling by height of collimation method. Let A, B, C, D, E, F be the stations for which RL is to be calculated using the known reduced level of A. The height of the instrument is calculated by adding the RL and backside of station A, that is benchmark. RL of station B is calculated by subtracting height of the instrument and foresight of station B. Since the instrument position is changed at station B, the height of the instrument value is again calculated by adding its backside value and RL value. RL of station C is calculated by subtracting the intermediate side from the previous HI value. Similarly, RL of station D is calculated. Since D is the change point, the HI value is calculated by adding the backside and RL value of station D. The RL of station E is calculated by subtracting the foresight reading from the HI value. For station E, HI value is again calculated by adding its RL and backside value. Finally, RL of station F is calculated by subtracting its foresight value from the previous HI value. For arithmetic check, the difference between summation backside and summation foresight should be equal to the difference between last RL and first RL. Hence, check the observation values are correct.